The journey of Sarah, a student's quest to master English. Sarah was a bright and ambitious student from a small town in Bangladesh. She had always dreamed of studying abroad, but there was one obstacle standing in her way: English. Although she had learned the basics in school, she knew that mastering the language was key to achieving her goals. One day, Sarah's English teacher announced an exciting opportunity: an English language immersion program in the capital city. Sarah's heart raced with excitement. This was her chance to improve her English skills and make her dream of studying abroad a reality. With her parents' support, she applied and was soon accepted into the program. The day Sarah arrived in the city, she felt a mix of excitement and nervousness. The bustling streets, the towering buildings, and the unfamiliar faces made her feel like a small fish in a big pond. She knew that this experience would be the key to her future. In her first week, Sarah attended classes where she was surrounded by students from all over the country. The teachers spoke only in English, and at first, it was overwhelming. She struggled to keep up, often feeling frustrated and discouraged. But she reminded herself that every great journey starts with small steps. She decided to immerse herself in English as much as possible. She started by watching English movies with subtitles, listening to English songs, and reading simple English books. She even began keeping a journal where she wrote down new words and practiced using them in sentences. Every night, she would review her notes, determined to remember what she had learned. In her classes, Sarah began to participate more actively. She asked questions when she didn't understand and practiced speaking with her classmates during breaks. Slowly, her confidence grew. She found that the more she practiced, the more she understood, and soon she was able to hold conversations without feeling nervous. One day, her teacher asked the class to write an essay about their goals and dreams. Sarah poured her heart into the assignment, writing about her dream of studying in the USA and how she was working hard to master English. When she received her essay back, she was thrilled to see that her teacher had written a note at the bottom: "Excellent work, Sarah. You're making great progress." That note was a turning point for Sarah. It reminded her of how far she had come and how much closer she was to achieving her dream. She continued to work hard, and by the end of the program, Sarah's English had improved significantly. She was no longer the shy girl who hesitated to speak. She was confident, articulate, and ready to take on the world. Sarah's journey to learn English was not easy, but it taught her an important lesson: persistence and hard work always pay off. As she prepared to apply to universities abroad, she knew that she was one step closer to making her dream a reality. And so, with a heart full of hope and a mind full of knowledge, Sarah embarked on the next chapter of her life, knowing that the world was hers to explore, all thanks to her determination to master the English language.